Okay, this is homework number 11. So for homework number 11, we start out with a volume of the cone problem. Okay, volume of the cone. Okay, so for volume of a cone, we're going to use the formula V. There we go. V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. But then before we put that, we have to do the area of the base, which is pi r squared. So on my cone picture here, it gives me a diameter of 3.5. We have to cut that in half. So the radius for this is 1.75. Like so. Okay? All right, number 2. What is the volume of the cylinder shown below? So volume of the cylinder, if I look, my radius, or that gives me a diameter of 16, so my radius is going to be 8. Volume of the cylinder, area of the base, times the height, but we have to find the area of the base first, pi r squared. All right? All right, number 3 says using the picture above, what is the lateral surface area? So it's important that you see that this is asking for the lateral surface area. All right, so let me go ahead and write that the radius on the picture above was 8 and the height is 21. Okay, so lateral surface area, remember, is just the first part of our formula for surface area. So all it is so it's 2 times pi times the radius times the height. Okay, so that's all we're doing. And use 3.14 for pi. Go ahead and do that. Okay, number 4. What is the algebraic representation of a figure that is reflected across the y-axis? Okay, so y, or not y, actually x comma y, changes to, that's what you got to figure out. Okay, your notes, if you have the notes, the same notes that we taped onto the desks, you can use those. Those will be helpful to you. Okay, number 5, does the graph below represent a function? All right, so I think y'all will do pretty good on this one. It's just a yes or no question. Okay, so no work to be shown for number 5. Is it a function or is it not? Number 6, what is the volume of a cone-shaped party hat, that has a diameter of 4 inches, and then we're going to say that the height is 8 inches. Okay, so for the cone, volume of a cone, we've already done a few of these already on this homework assignments. V equals pi r squared. Okay. Okay, number 7, order the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means we're going from least to greatest, going up. Okay, least to greatest. Okay, if a figure is dilated by a scale factor of 3/4, what should you multiply the old perimeter by to find the new perimeter? So if my scale factor is 3/4, scale factor is 3/4, it's either going to be 3/4 or you're going to square it, which would end up being 9/16. Okay, so you're going to have to choose which one of these it would be. Okay, number 9. What is the surface area of the cylinder shown below? Okay, so surface area, this is what we got done doing today. Okay, so surface area, this 2 is the radius. Okay, so radius equals 2. All right, so surface area, remember, is 2 times pi times the radius times the height plus 2 times pi r squared. So just what we did today. And then lastly, number 10, what is the volume of a sphere whose diameter is 4 6/8 centimeters? All right, so 4 6/8 centimeters is the same thing as saying 4 6/8 is the same thing as 4.75. All right, so you can use that when you're looking for volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere, the formula, 4/3 times pi times the radius, and it is cubed. All right, so good luck.